How to forward a voice message on Instagram. Hey guys, in today's video, I'll show you step by step on how to forward a voice message in Instagram. After you open your Instagram app like this, now tap on your profile at the top right side. After you open the profile like this now, go ahead and open the person that you want to forward the message from to him. So let's say I want to forward some voice message from this one. So as you can see now, here is the voice message. Now if I want to forward the voice message, now if you swipe the voice message from the right to left like this, as you can see now, we can't get any option now to forward the message in this section. So the second option to do that, all you have to do now, long press your hand on the message. If you long press your hand on the message, on the voice message like this, as you can see now, long press your hand on it like this. So as you can see now, in this option now, Instagram doesn't allow you to forward the message, the voice message, as you can see now at the bottom as well. So the best method to forward a voice message on Instagram is now close your Instagram app. After you close your Instagram app, go to your Play Store or App Store. After you come to your Play Store, App Store, now apps you can see now, tap on the search bar and search for this application called X Recorder, or just any screen recorder app. So as you can see now, here is it, X Recorder, as you can see now. So go ahead and install this app, as you can see now, S Recorder, screen recorder. So after you install any screen recorder, all you have to do now, go ahead and open the screen recorder like this one. Go ahead and just turn on the screen recorder. After you turn on the screen recorder, go ahead and open up your Instagram like this. After you open your Instagram and open the message section, now whilst the screen recorder is recording your screen, go ahead and just play the sound that you want to forward to that person. So after you finish just playing all the sound, as you can see now, the sound has been recorded under the screen recorder. So after you just stop recording the screen, or you finish just recording all the voices on your screen recorder, now you can go ahead and tap on this gallery icon to upload the video. So just go ahead and search for the video that you record your screen with the voice under it like this one, and tap on this send button. So now you send the video with the voice under the video to the person that you want to send him. That's the only way you can forward a voice message on Instagram. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.